journey map, the story that a journey map tells, the perspective of a journey map is, I have an offering, and the people over there are the consumers of my offering, and I want to tell that story. And that's an interesting story to tell. A job map throws all that away and says, the person over there, they have their own goals and their own workflow, and I want to understand that job independent of me. So a journey map and a job map have completely different perspectives on the world. It's a different view, and you need both. I'm not saying one's better than the other, and I wrote a whole freaking book on customer journey maps, so it's really important, right? But a job map will give you a different view of the world, right? Because you're not talking about optimizing the top of the funnel and stupid stuff like that. You're talking about how can we help people in what they're actually trying to get done through the product, through marketing, through customer support, whatever it might be, right?